Hey everyone, how would you like to add a couple $100s a month up to a few $1,000s a month to your income, passive cash flow, by simply finding a vacant property, or if you know of someone with a property they're looking to sell? Here in our network, NextGenREI, we're partnering with owners, putting in high income producing assets into their houses and creating generational wealth for them. So owners, sellers are loving this. They have a second or third home, investment properties, and they don't need to sell. So yeah, for example, Airbnb, corporate housing, shared housing, which makes significantly much more than a traditional rental. So that's how we can pay for a finder, a couple $100s up to $600-700 per property. We have facilitators who are also involved in this for a third, and then NextGenREI. But what we do, is what I've done as an investor over the years is drive through neighborhoods. They call it driving for dollars. The hidden market. You find properties that look run down in a nice neighborhood, papers piling up, lock boxes on the door, weeds and just dead yards, overgrown bushes. And then what you do is public records. You find out who the owner is and track them down with a skip trace, give them a call, reach out to them. And a lot of time out-of-state owners, they're much more open to this. Also properties in probate. Kids or heirs out of state, they don't want to deal with the property, they just want to get rid of it. So that's an option for us. Couples in divorce, we can make an agreement with them to make cash flow continue to come in. They don't have to sell their property. Tired landlords after these last couple years with the eviction moratoriums, and out of state owners, and they just want a solution to their problem. We take over the management, so they could still have money coming in on their property and not have to worry about the maintenance. We take care of all the management issues. And there are a lot of people that have gone through the forbearance the last couple years. Some of them might be looking to get out of their homes. They can't make up all the back payments. We can come in and help these people, which we have done already here in the Las Vegas area. All over the country. We have a network in about 10 different states. So yeah, we're not only helping people in need who might just want to walk away from their problem, we could actually get them some monthly cash flow and help them find another place, save their credit, and then you can get some cash flow out of that. And then recently we launched a nonprofit, Beyond Living, where we're helping those in need. Could be homeless, veterans, those aged out of the foster system, foster care, people dealing with substance abuse. We're not only finding them a place to live, but providing them with job and life skills. This is a way to help those really in need and ourselves. And so it's a win-win for everyone, the homeowner, for us as investors, and people that could use. And here in North Las Vegas, the city actually has grant money for this. They're wanting us to work with them. We have several properties here in the north for Beyond Living. So yeah, there's just so many options available to people out there with their properties, and then us as investors. And you don't need any experience. You don't have to be an agent. But agents are coming on board also and loving what we're doing. They can add to their commission income and start to add to their portfolios. And our network here at NextGenREI, we have 3 coaching calls a week. So you can see what other people are doing, see how everything works with the different strategies, and get that ongoing weekly support and motivation. So if you like what you heard here today, give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. We'll get in touch, and let's go find some properties and do some deals. Give you some extra income and grow your own portfolios. All right, see you next time.